Kyoto's done, we're going to Tokyo. Let's go. Gotta go on the bullet train. Pew. That's how fast it goes. Pew. It's very different. The energy, you can feel it. So first impressions, this is like New York.
Straight up. We had a lot of amazing food. We also got to see shrines, a bamboo forest that's low-key, not touristy. And then we got to see mountains all around us. That was so cool.
Yeah.
What else?
It was great.
Kyoto is definitely one of those very, very, very cultured places. Everyone's dressed up. Like, you could rent a kimono and walk around like that for a day.
It's pretty cool. So
yeah,
we're gonna head on to the bullet train.
Before we're running low on time. I still have to pack things up because no one else packs the bags. I do.
Don't need to.
I get all the stress.
I have a maid for that.
All
All right, let's go. All right, last day in Kyoto. Just found out our hotel has a rooftop terrace. What? So, man, the view is epic. Mountains everywhere. Really an amazing place. So, we're gonna go take the bullet train to Tokyo and be there in a couple hours. These dang kids, like, you can't do anything with them. Always fighting. Do you guys have kids? Do they always fight? Yeah? Maybe it's just me. Got a little mini temple here. It's a temple for ants. We made it to the Kyoto Station. Found this little temple. Gotta go on the bullet train. Pew. That's how fast it goes. Pew. And you're there. Super fast.
After visiting a small temple, we made our way to Kyoto's bullet train station and took a quick snack break. And honestly, it was amazing. With that done, we headed toward our train, ready to move on, only to find out it was out of service.
Our train is out of service now, for some reason. Yeah, we're not allowed to board right now for some reason.
What time is it?
So the train is down.
No, it's not. It's just malfunctioning. It's not.
Not in service sign.
Right now. But you're not allowed to get on it right now.
We'll see. It's leaving.
We missed our train.
Oh no, we missed our train.
Showed us.
Oh, we missed our train.
That's our train. We made it to Tokyo. There's big buildings here. It's very different. The energy, you can feel it. So first impressions, this is like New York.
Straight up.
Feels exactly like Asian New York,
We are
for sure.
A little dirtier.
Yeah, it's way different.
Kyoto.
Way different than Kyoto. But definitely just like New York.
You just
After leaving Tokyo's train station, we made our way through the city and headed straight to our Airbnb.
Taxi driver was waiting for us to find the apartment. And then we were at the wrong apartment, so it felt kind of weird, and we just stayed there until he left, like 5 minutes, because he was trying to make sure we got to the right apartment. And then when he left, we're like, whew.
You didn't tell us the right.
Yeah, he also didn't tell us the right place. So we're like, okay, cool, he's gone. Now it's not weird anymore. Let's go find our apartment. It was a couple units down. Cool. Yay for awkwardness.
Why?
Smallest elevator ever.
oh gross.
What happened? Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Don't do that.
I don't know how to undo it.
We got a broken door.
Broken door that they left us. Got catfished again. So apparently the Airbnbs here in Japan is the second time we've been being catfished. It's like the pictures are so like
Beautiful.
Edited.
edited, and they look cute. And then you come in and it's like the doors are broken. We have like a excavator with a bunch
Excavator.
in our backyard.
So.
Do you have an excavator in your backyard?
Nope.
Yeah. So.
The bathroom's
Alright.
ugly too. I don't know.
Here for the next month though. So what's up?
We have to get out of this place.
Kids
It
are
smells.
whining. They're in Japan and they're whining.
It kind of smells too.
Smell like
What does that smell like? Mildew or something?
Like old. You guys ever smelled old?
Yeah.
That's what it smells like.
It's supposed to be a cute little kitchen, but it's
ugly.
definitely,
Everything's ugly.
Also old. Check out the outside here. All right, construction.
Why is that wet? And why is there a bone, baby? Can you document all this? This is disgusting. What is this? I'm thoroughly disappointed. First off, this whole entire terrace is wet. Why is it wet? And
It's all wet.
there's
Then again, it probably rained because there is a hole right there. And we have the last floor.
And then a duck. There's like a chicken bone or something. I don't know.
Bones.
When we got to the Airbnb, it was not what we expected. The wallpaper was peeling, there was mold on the walls, the washroom smelled bad, and even bugs in the bathtub. So, yeah, we grabbed our bags and walked straight to another hotel.
So much better, hopefully. All right, there's some concern.
It's tiny.
It's
I
tiny?
definitely live here for a few days. Oh, it's not bad.
Okay, it's not like the worst thing.
Okay. Cool. That's all we got.
To live here.
2 beds. It's better than nothing, so it doesn't stink here. Got a fancy Japanese toilet. At least the caulking isn't falling apart. Take it. Better than what was there before.
On our last day in Kyoto, we checked out of the hotel and made our way to the bullet train. From there, we headed to Tokyo, ready for the next chapter of the trip. The first Airbnb room didn't quite live up to expectations, so we moved to another hotel. And that's wrapped up today's vlog. See you in the next one.